Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Scikit-Image library for your Python and VS Code. So if you don't know about this particular library, then the Scikit-Image is an open source Python library dedicated to image processing. It is built upon by NumPy and SciPy. It integrates well with other scientific Python libraries and tools for various image processing tasks. So let's see how to install this library. So in order to install the library, you need to head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's code and type in the following command, which is pip install scikit-image. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that the packages are being collected and downloaded. Once that has been done, they will be processed and installed into our system. So let's wait for the same. And here you can see that after the successful installation, you will receive this message which says successfully installed Scikit-Image version 0.25.2. It also included some other libraries and package which are a prerequisite for this library. So now let's verify whether this has been installed into a system or not. So in order to verify the installation, from a new line in the terminal, you need to type in the following command, which is pip show Scikit-Image. Then once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with some information about this particular library, like its version number as well as the location of this particular library into my system. So that's how we can confirm that this installation was successful into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.